You spoke about this in the Dáil.
I did,
this is Norma Foley talking about bringing in suspending career breaks. She's on a career break.
Yeah, I think that raised more than a few eyebrows. So yesterday in the Dáil, the Social Democrats, we brought a motion forward to say that there is an issue in schools with over 91% of our schools around the country having teacher shortages. Now, the implications of that are vast, and one of the ones that sticks out for me is a child with special education need, for example, schools that have no choice but to redirect special education teachers into mainstream classes. That's meaning the child with additional needs is not getting the teaching time they need. So we brought this to the fore. We offered a range of measures, including highlighting the fact that over the last number of years, it's nearly impossible for some people who want to be teachers to get into the profession. The 2 years Masters in Education costs 12,500, 2 years out. The disparity between pay is forcing out people overseas, and most teachers just can't afford rent. So we wanted to be talked about. One of the measures that the Minister came back with, and I think it was a sleight of hand, was to highlight career breaks. Now, career breaks is not going to do anything in the immediacy to address the problems now, but what it does do, it gets us all talking on the couches. Rather than address the problems, we're saying, well, what about the career breaks?
But there are over 2,000 teachers on career breaks at the minute, so if they were to bring a lot of them back to the country, it would help with the shortage.
But this wasn't going to bring them back. So this wasn't going to say the career breaks are suspended, everybody come back in now. This was simply saying no more career
Nobody
breaks.
else gets it.
Oh yeah, for the newly qualified teachers.
And that's the thing that got on my gears a little bit. Now, people take career breaks for a variety of reasons. A lot of my friends who be on career breaks, but we do so for family reasons. Now, it's not like we have a system of affordable childcare in this country.
No.
Others go abroad because they can't afford to live in Dublin. The average rent is €2,300. So our motion was about teachers, it was about the housing crisis. We were looking for solutions, and all we got back that really raised eyebrows was the career break. I think it was a sleight of hand to change the nature of the conversation. What we really need to be doing is having an urgency of getting people into our classrooms. In the first instance, we can get third and fourth year students into a studying teaching in some of the higher education institutes into the classroom and pay them. But then we also need to be looking at the things that take teachers out of the classroom and send them overseas. And that for me is about the cost of living in our cities and urban areas.